Hello everyone, this is my topic. This is the index page. As you can see, to obtain the style the Google, we can search, for example, Harvard, Google search. Here's the search, the first search. 10. I'm feeling lucky. They redirect the page, the Harvard University page, the other page, search by image, the example, Harvard University 2, will image search, go, and here's the pictures. Back to the index, Google Advanced Search. This is the other style of page, advanced search, find page width, and all these words. Here's example. Tricolor, rat, terror. These are words or traits. The examples here. Terror, rat, and arrow. Any of these words, you have to use the word or to separate the words. None of these words, you have to use the minus and the word comma to separate the words. Advanced search, go. Yes. Back to the index 2. Thanks for watching.